Pwede ata pumasok dun sa loob. Ganda, oh. Simbahan. Pasok din tayo sila. Ay, it's close.
Hello.
Hi.
You must pay to come in.
Ah, yeah.
I'm sorry, sir, there's an admission charge.
Bayad. So dito sa labas, sa gilid, kitang-kita yung buo. Ayan, Church Ireland. So meron silang admission fee pag pumasok ka sa loob, kaya so 10 minutes lang kami para makita itong simbahan. Okay, then dito yung mga libingan nila. Pero mga kilalang pare ito, mga kilala din sa kanila. Okay. Alright. So, babalik na kami. Ganda ng design ng simbahan nila, no? Ayan, no? Mayroon pang tatlong. Maganda to pag sa ano, sa malayo tingnan sa itaas. Okay. Time to go. Okay. Yup. Punta kami ngayon sa University ng Cork, Ireland. So we'll see kung Fall 2013. Welcome to your student center. Music all areas. Okay. So we'll see. And yung tour guide namin matanda. Okay. Yep. So ito na yan. Yung buong university nila. College. Great minds. UCC. Ito simbahan pala. UCC pala to. Okay. UCC is in this town, only in this town?
Only in this, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, in Dublin then you've got Trinity College.
Yeah.
And you've got the University of Dublin.
Yeah. Also.
And then farther up the coast you've got Galway University. And that's the universities. And we have a university now in Limerick as well. It's not as big as the ones here, but it's just this way. So that's the Honan Chapel, and we can't get into it.
Yeah.
A Catholic. Oh, the doors are open, aren't they?
Yeah, it's open.
You can just have a peep in. Yeah.
It's the chapel for this school.
Yeah, this is a very popular chapel for weddings as well.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You can have a peep inside if you like.
That's great. So, let's take a peek. Chapel lang to sa kanila. Pasok tayo. Hop. Ayan. Ganda, oh. Maliit na chapel lang nila to. Okay. So, this is a Catholic chapel for them. Dasal muna tayo para blessing. Ito yung maliit nilang piano. Ayan, pedal yan. Tapos ito yung bamboo organ. Imbis na bamboo organ, pipe organ. Steel yung ginagamit nila sa atin. Las Piñas, bamboo. Okay. So Balik na tayo sa labas. Yan, galing na tayo doon sa loob. Ito na sa labas. Chapel lang to ng university nila, no? Galing. Papalibutan yung university nila na malaki to. Okay. UCC, University College of Cork. Then, meron din silang UCC shop. Ayan. Ayos ah.
You're welcome. So we'll just take a little walk here. Now, did you all hear what I said about the church? The church is a very famous wedding church here. In order to get married here, your partner and you must be both graduates of the university. Not just one. It used to be just one. One you could get away with it if just one of you had attended. They changed the rules here a few years ago, and you both have to have attended college here. Okay, so it's very smooth to get married here. But the government are now protesting, and they're saying, you know, we need money for research, we need to improve, put up the fees. So that is sort of being debated at the moment. So whether there's going to be a rise in the fees or not, we don't know. But then that's for you Irish residents. If you come in from another country, there's a little bit more, but not much more. So the fees are quite reasonable. I mean, they're within people's reach.
Yung simbahan, ito yung college school nila.
The fees are out by pence because it was said that during World War II, a young student who had been attending the university here had gone to fight in World War II, and he had taken an acorn from that tree, and it was in his pocket when he was killed on the battlefield in France, and his family brought back the acorn and set it here, and that is supposed to be the results. Now, as we say in Ireland, you could take that little one with a grain of salt.
Second World War?
Second World War II.
Maybe.
Around 1945, the Second World War ended in 1945.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, look at him, just sitting there very quiet, minding his own business.
Ito na yung university nila. Ang ganda, no?
This is the main part of, and the older part of the building. And we're going to go in now to the building, and you're going to see the Ogren stones there. And the Ogren stones have the ancient Irish writing, first known to Irishmen, on them. So we'll just hop over here. And
Okay, so pasok tayo ngayon sa university nila, no? Tama natin yan. Ganda ng university nila, maliit lang. Okay, we'll see. Oh, that's it. So nice. Yeah, got it. Crawford Observatory. Okay, so dito tayo sa hallway ng university nila. Huh? College University. Galing dito. Sarap siguro mag-aral dito. Okay, so sige, pasok tayo. May statue sila ng ano. Ayan, ito yung mga stone corridor. Office faculty. Okay, where are they? Ayun, hindi sila. O, tingnan natin kung ano yung makita nila.
like the old Irish attitude, just to describe some of the old Irish word mobile. Oh, and these
Ito, mga bato.
This stone has a clean and distinct inscription on its right-hand edge. The name Cronin is found elsewhere in offerings, like the late Cronin from Crone Brown.
They thought it was there.
That was used as a personal name.
Okay. Visitor Center. College. Yep. This is our college. Ayan. Maliit lang. Maliit lang yung ano nila. Ganda ng mga bulaklak nila.
We call them busy lizzies.
Oh, okay.
Busy lizzies. And they're very tall now. They're very good. Because I've got them in pots, they're only coming into their own now at the moment.
Oh, really?
They really, coming on to the October, they really begin to look very well. Oh, don't they? I'm not mad about the marigold. I don't know why I never kind of liked the marigold.
This one is nice.
Do you get them? No, here.
We don't really. We might get about maybe 2 days.
2 days.
That's about it. The climate is too mild. There's some. Take those out now and they'll put in once. There's about another month in those. Then they'll put in some pansies, winter flowering pansies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and they'll keep going then until after Christmas and they might. Yeah. Oh no,
There's a lot of them.
They have full-time gardeners here.
There's a lot of pollination going on. Oh,
Yeah.
bees.
Yeah.
They're going around.
You have a few bees, but you have a lot of wasps.
Oh,
It's wasp season at the moment. But the trees are all ancient. I don't know, to be honest. You know, they just put those down as features in the grounds, you know. They don't, they're not any...
Yun, this is the campus map. Campus map. Okay.
When you finish your schooling this, at the age of 18.
Maliit lang yung college school nila. Okay, time to go back. Ito yung harap ng college school.
UCC
University. Laki na. Nasa namin kanina.
Are waiting for their claim to be an Irish citizen processed, and quite a lot of them would live up around this area, up around here. In order to get citizenship in this country, let's say you bought a ticket in the lotto, you probably would have a better chance of winning the lotto than you would of getting Irish citizen. And it's a long, drawn-out process that goes on for years. And in the meanwhile, the people come in from Africa and from Kenya, and they're looking for a safe haven, as they put it. So they come in here and they apply to the government, and in order for those accommodations, mainly hotels that wouldn't be in use anymore, then they would give you a little pocket money every week, something around 15 to 20 euros per week. And I don't think you can work while you're doing it, but I don't think they know about that. I think the majority of them work. But it is a long, drawn-out process. So you have a Saturday market here every Saturday, and you can see some of it going on there. And that was the old, called here in Cork, the old coal quay. Because the ships that were bringing in the coal would come up as far as here, and they would load up, unload here. So it was called by the old Cork people the coal quay. So it was called the coal quay. Now it's called Market parade or something. It's got a very fancy name now. But it was normally the old docking area for the ships. So you have on your right here the Opera House, rebuilt at a cost of 11 million. The big Heineken brewery here. So beloved of all the young people, Heineken. So if I was to ask you now, what would be the second most popular beer here in the city? What would you say?
Guinness.
Heineken is number one. Now what would be number two? Budweiser is the second most popular drink in the city here. So we are doing our little bit for the American economy. Flags, folks out on the houses, all scattered all over the city, red and white there on your left. That's the colours of the city, red and white, and we mainly have hurling and football in the city. Coffee, strong
Yung may libre tayong kape, no? Para matikman natin yung Irish coffee nila.
And that's the type of whiskey they use, Jameson. You want a biscuit to go with it, sir? Yeah, this
goes very nicely now.
No,
I'm not a psychologist, but I'm friends with college students.
Is this a pure coffee?
Yeah,
Irish
and
coffee?
Jameson inside it.
Ah, Jameson. Oh, that's
a glass of water at the bar, and we get you a glass of water, okay?
There it is. Go pwesto tayo.
Wednesday, 12.
Mahilig sila, ito, mga Irish pa, mahilig sila sa mga ganito. Tapos manonood ng soccer at saka rugby. Diba? Nice. Yan, dito kami sa balcony. Sinom namin yung mga kape. Yan, binigay. Okay. Kitang-kita mo dito yung downtown ng Irish Court. Irish City. Ayan, nilipat namin kanina.
I know I was in a cruise one time from Miami down to the Florida Keys, and it was like eating. And there was the midnight buffet, which was just absolutely outstanding.
Oh.
And then you had the chocolate buffet. Who could miss that?
Ireland.
And you had constant food on 24/7. It was a feast of eating. I put on about 2 stone by the time I got off it. But I enjoyed every minute of it. Life is too short.
Life is too short.
Eat and enjoy, I say. Is there anybody, I'll ask again, is there anybody going one day? You do, okay. We're going to stop here, sir, and let you off. The railway station is just here on your right.